What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got something a little bit different today. We're going to be doing an unboxing, but it's a tool. I was recently online looking for, I don't know if you're anything like me, you love these pin vices, but I go through the bits so often, and I was just looking for some replacements. I mean, all I really needed was one. Just need that spark plug wire bit, and you get these boxes that there's a bunch of them that I'll never use. I mean, I don't know if I'll never use them, but I really only use two. One for the distributor hole, and then one for the spark plug wire hole. And then the other ones I'll use in, the fabrication and stuff, but I'm starting to compile quite a bit of bits.
Several bad puns later.
So, while I was looking for replacement bits, just one bit, just want one, I stumbled across this thing, which I was kind of intrigued. It's a electric drill, pin vise electric drill. So, I don't know, it was pretty cheap. It was about the cost of this. It was about the same cost of, a pin vise and a bunch of bits. So we're gonna see if it's any good. We'll crack this thing open, we'll plug it in, and we'll do a couple tests and a few different things. I have not seen it before. You are seeing it the first time with me. First impression, it's jammed in there. And this is how it came, by the way. It was just in an Amazon envelope. It was green, pretty. Nothing else in the box. We have a collection of some more bits and a chuck. What's up, Chuck? What's up, Chuck? The little teeny tiny manual. These are always fun to look for lost in translation jokes, but it looks pretty basic. I'm sure we can figure it out. Bit goes here, power goes there. It's got a power switch with a red cover that's pretty loose. I don't have very high hopes for this thing, Wow, that is a really flimsy feeling block. Yeah, it says it's 2000 milliamp. I don't know. We'll see. The cord, USB cord, feels okay. It's all right. It's probably super thin, janky wires inside of there, but that plugs into the USB. That plugs in there for power. Ooh, wow, that really doesn't like to go in there very well. Or maybe that's just as far as it goes. Interesting. So let's find a power outlet for this thing. Plug it in. Happen to have one. Oh, no, I don't. I guess I should have been ready for this. Stand by. I gotta find power. The only one I have is under the desk. This might be kind of tricky. So, give me a second while I crawl around down here. See the lights flickering from the stupid LED plugs.
One eternity later.
Okay, arming the nugget. Oh, it's on. Huh, okay. Let's get the Chuck out. Hey, Chuck, what's up? Boy, that's That's one of the first things that's going to get lost. I think it's tiny. I'm almost positive I don't have any Allens this small. So, here, let's get this off of here for now while we're doing this. Just in case, safety first. I'm going to blow myself up. Is that where it goes? Yeah. Wow, I already feel that's a little fidgety. So, loosen it up. Yeah, loosen and spin, just like normal. I'm curious if these other bits, if it'll host a larger bit. Let's try one of these. Ooh, no.
By sheer coincidence.
Okay. It looks like it's only going to use these little teeny tiny ones. It won't use the other that come with. Yeah, great. So we have a ton more bits that I'll probably never use. Boy, getting it in there is kind of an issue. Oh, there we go. Spin that down. Oh, okay. So that'll lock it in place, and then this will tighten it to the tool. And what I'm thinking this will work for is I've done in the past where a kit has rotors, brake rotors, that have holes in them, and drilling them out to give it that more detailed look is just so time consuming. So we'll just pretend this one has something to hold it with. Yeah, that'll work. So we'll pretend that we're going to drill a bunch of holes. Oh wow, that wobbles all over the place. Look at that. Kind of hard to be precise with it, but I wonder if I can start it on the spot. No. Okay, so that's going to be probably not good to be drilling into the tweezers with it, but there we go. That was really fast. I mean, obviously I could do a better job, you know, with marking it and being a little bit more precise about where they go, but hey, that worked. So, you know, cheap little tool. I'll put a link in the description of where I got it, Amazon. You know, say you want to put a bigger wheel in an axle or something. Neat. You know. So, there you go. That does it. I just wanted to put something up because I haven't posted for a while. Working on a little project that's kind of taking me a little bit longer than I thought it would. It's kind of neat. I'm sure you're going to dig it. If you've ever seen the movie The Goods, used car sales lot, that's kind of my inspiration for this project. So that's all the teasers I'm going to give you. That about does it for this What's in the Box. Can you hear it? Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that kind of horse hockey, or not. See you in the next one.